Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating E04 error code on your Hoover washing machine from the 2025 lineup, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving straight into what this error means, why it happens, and how you can fix it yourself to get your laundry back on track. Let's jump right in. First off, the E04 error code on Hoover machines usually signals a problem with water drainage. This could be due to a clogged drain hose, a blocked pump filter, or even a kinked hose preventing water from exiting properly. It's a common issue, especially if you've got lint, coins, or fabric bits building up over time. Don't worry, it's often an easy fix that saves you a pricey service call. To troubleshoot, start by unplugging your washing machine and letting it sit for a few minutes to reset. Next, check the drain hose at the back of the machine. Make sure it's not bent, blocked, or positioned too low. If it looks clear, grab a bucket and carefully remove the pump filter, usually located at the bottom front of the machine. Use gloves because there might be some water left inside. Clean out any debris you find. This is where most clogs happen. Once that's done, reattach everything and run a test cycle. If the error persists, double-check for any foreign objects in the drum or ensure the waste pipe isn't obstructed. Sometimes, a simple reset or running a drain cycle manually can do the trick. Remember, if your machine is still under warranty, contact Hoover support before attempting more advanced fixes. To prevent this error in the future, always clean the filter every few months and avoid overloading your washer. It's all about regular maintenance to keep things running smoothly. There you have it. You're now equipped to tackle that E04 error like a pro. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home appliance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy washing.